I was diagnosed with juvenile arthritis when I was 12. I noticed that my knee had started to kind of turn in. I did an x-ray and we noticed that I was basically bone on bone. Working with Dr. Brooks and his team was outstanding. The first time that I met him, I felt like he really wanted to include me in the conversation. He didn't talk down to me. He realized, that I had been living with this. I knew my body. He trusted that I knew what my body was doing and what it was saying. They give you everything you ever want to know about what's going to be happening to you. Surgery was, it just went smooth. The people, the anesthesiologists, the nurses in the operating room, it was just a way about them that they just calmed you down. And before I knew it, I was out. So when he first asked me, would you want to go home? And I'm like, really? And he was like, he said, yes, you're a great candidate to be able to do that. Healthy, otherwise healthy, and you have support at home. One thing I did appreciate about his team is that they always made sure I was good. If somebody was to ask me, okay, I'm getting ready to have some type of joint replacement, I would definitely recommend the joint replacement program at NorthBay.